This is the Mesopotamia song by Ryan MacDonald, Otavio da Silva, and Cam Naughton, and Cole Spence, who couldn't be here with us. The man running the camera is Christian O'Brien. Got a brand new king, Hammurabi. Now it's time to lay down the laws, lay down the laws. He's a real good king, he makes a lot of new jobs, a lot of new jobs. Kings and priests go to ziggurats, pray to the gods, pray to the gods. If you know what I mean, Artisans and craftsmen created beautiful, practical items, Go.
Transportation, sailboats, and farming were all forms of technology.
Chariots, 120 miles per hour, and the ark supported a lot of weight.
Go.
I listen to the king, Hammurabi. If I do something bad, ooh, the guards be looking at me. Okay. We have a stable food supply. We just made an irrigation system for consistent water supply. We use a plow. It creates fresh, moist soil that was underneath the ground. Okay.
Don't steal, don't kill, don't poke out people's eyes, baby, or the guards will cut off your arm or poke out your eye, baby. There are also assemblies such as governors.
Hammurabi was the king of Babylon,
He wrote laws for Odyssey on a Stella Scepter, I'm just keeping it real.
Go.
I listen to the king, Hammurabi. If I do something bad, ooh, the guards be looking at me. Okay. We have a stable food supply. We just made an irrigation system for consistent water supply. We use a plow. It creates fresh, moist soil that was underneath the ground.